Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. Today's topic of discussion is works of Ted Hughes. Now, who was Ted Hughes and why is Ted Hughes so famous? And what are the literary characteristics of his works? Let's find out. In case you have doubts in any topic related to English literature, you can follow and contact us on social media. We will try to reply as soon as possible. And do connect with Literature Mantra, India's only free online preparation platform for UGC NET and all English literature based exams. Now, before moving on to the works of Ted Hughes, a little bit about his life. Ted Hughes is considered as one of the major poets of the 21st century. He was the husband of Sylvia Plath, the very famous American poet who later on committed suicide. And her suicide is at times also attributed to the brutality of Ted Hughes. But this is just a conjecture. There is no clear evidence that Ted Hughes forced or because of Ted Hughes, Sylvia Plath committed suicide. There are speculations, but there is no confirmation. Then Ted Hughes was also appointed Britain's Poet Laureate in 1984. Now, moving on to the literary characteristics of his works and some of his famous works. Generally, his famous works deal with nature. The world that he depicts or he mentions is dominated by nature, particularly by animals in nature. And his poems emphasize the ruthless, savage and cruel aspect of the animal world. For example, there is a famous work of his, The Hawk in the Rain. In this, there is also a poem called Hawk Roasting. And I'll read out a stanza from it and you will see what this hawk is doing. Now, in the poem, the hawk is saying this to himself: "Or fly up and revolve it all slowly. I kill where I please, because it is all mine. There is no sophistry in my body. My manners are tearing off heads." And then he goes on further to say, "The sun is behind me. Nothing has changed since I began. My eye has permitted no change. I'm going to keep things like this." So what the hawk is saying is he is ruthless and he is going to keep things like this. He is not going to change. Then some of Ted Hughes's other famous works are Lupercal, Crow, The Iron Man, and Hughes also translated works from classical authors including Ovid and Aeschylus. And one more thing, his Iron Man is a novel for children, and it is not the same as the Iron Man of which we see in movies today. It is somewhat different. Then another thing which comes to mind is, if Ted Hughes talks about nature, is this kind of nature poetry or nature related poetry the same as the poetry of William Wordsworth of the Romantic era? The answer is no, because Ted Hughes emphasizes the violent aspects of nature, the cruel aspects of nature, whereas William Wordsworth emphasizes the opposite in nature. Then there is also Tennyson. We can also compare with Tennyson's description of nature. For example, in one of his poems, Tennyson mentions about nature as being red in tooth and claw. This is almost a violent kind of nature which Tennyson describes, and this is in stark contrast to how Wordsworth describes nature. For example, Wordsworth always maintains that nature is kind of soothing. Nature helps him in meditating or reflecting about past experiences, and nature helps his mind to grow. So these are some of the main points relating to Ted Hughes and the literary characteristics of his works. So please remember at least one of his works, because on this, The Hawk in the Rain and The Hawk Roasting, this is something which you will get questions again and again in NET. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.